Strong, magnetic, commanding aura. Your energy is captivating. You are a cosmic alchemist. People stop and stare whenever you enter the room, and whenever you're talking to anyone, people are mesmerized by you. You are a leader. You can influence the masses. And when you do so for the good. Your investment in yourself is truly, truly captivating to others. Your focus, your determination is inspiring. Even before you speak, people are mesmerized. People are intrigued about your private life. You have an energy of mystery. Many people want to get close to you. And some people, when they do get the privilege of gaining access to your energy, they become possessive, obsessed. Even those that are already in long-term relationships and those that are married could perhaps question their marriage sometimes in regards to you. Your energy has the ability to, unfortunately, break down foundations and relationships because of your mere presence in certain people's lives. It makes them question why they are with their initial partner after meeting you. And some of you are oblivious to this. Some of you are oblivious to the effect that you have on others. You're just focused on you. And others are focused on you too. You have fans. Some of these individuals are besotted by you, and some of these individuals are threatened by you. Some people may try and get you into third-party dynamics without your knowledge. In some cases, you do understand the assignment, but you choose not to get involved. You want to live your life in peace, but with an energy like yours, you shake up the dynamics of many situations. You break down connections that were built on faulty ground, friendships that were toxic. You are the change. You are captivating to many. You have an energy of magic. You are hypnotic. You are the type of individual that can make those that dare not get into a relationship fall in love again. People get lost in you, and you may not be aware of this. Many people stare at you. Whenever you enter the room, your energy is loud, powerful, dynamic, fierce, strong. Even if you are trying to hide, even if you're being quiet, your energy, it speaks volumes. You are here to be noticed. You are here to be seen. You are here to bring change. A powerful leader. Masterful. You have a lot of resilience, a lot of inner strength and outer strength. Amazing at your craft, your job, your role. Many look up to you. You are beautiful both within and outwardly. There's a sense of inner peace that you retain. Many people want to get close to you. Many people fall in love with you, though they try to resist it. Many people get obsessed with you, obsessed with trying to dominate you, obsessed with trying to be you in some cases, obsessed with trying to devour you. Many people cannot understand how a being could be so potent in spirit. With one gaze, you pierce through to the soul of others. You're able to sense manipulative individuals. You're able to sense the untruths that are in the room that no one else can see or sense. You're able to read the minds of others, to know the truth. And sometimes it annoys you because you just assume that other people can see and sense what you see. But they can't. You are the truth teller. You come into environments to shake up the foundations of things that were built on faulty ground, to unmask the evildoers, to allow those that have gone unnoticed to be noticed, to be celebrated. You have unraveled many truths, and still people find you a mystery to unravel. You continue to heal, continue to grow. You continue to pour love into yourself. And you won't stop, and you can't stop. Despite the many pitfalls that you have been through, despite the blockages, the delays, the setbacks, you rise even stronger, even more powerful, even more determined. You're unstoppable. Despite what you've been through, you know how to work through your fears, and this inspires others. You have your down days, but you don't sit there and feel sorry for yourself. And this is why you are a leader. You work through your fears. You heal yourself. You have many options. Many people want to befriend you. Many people want to collaborate with you. Many people want to date you. Many people want to be you. But they couldn't walk a mile in your shoes. The reason why you are you is because of what you went through and how you have overcome and triumphed over the many pitfalls that you had to unfortunately endure. You are a blessing to many. And despite the darkness that you have encountered, you still shine from within. Your light is so bright. You are powerful, magnetic, charismatic, enchanting. You are a dream to many. And you are simply, my darling, a miracle. Keep shining.